Okay, what we've got here is a good sized shovel of clay in a 20-litre bucket, and then we've slurried it with basically 10 litres of water, and we're about to do what's called the Michael Jackson glove test, which means you shouldn't be able to see too much of my skin. That's fairly good. You know, this is why it's light earth. It's low in clay and high in fibre, and so this just a thin coat of slurry like that is almost enough to coat this. We'll probably have to do a couple more buckets. This is a wheelbarrow load of the tea tree mulch from Opotiki, so we're going to see how far we get there. It looks with that load there, but I think we'll need another load to properly coat this wheelbarrow load of mulch. Okay, so we're going to throw our first batch of slurry on, mix it up with a fork, and see how it looks. Okay, what we see here is that there was not enough clay slurry to properly coat our mulch, and we're just going to do another. That's a really good size shovel load of clay there, and we'll go get another 10 litres of water and get to work with the drill on it and add it until it looks about right to form a block out of. Okay, we're just prepared another bucket which has got a good shovel load of clay in it, plus 10 litres of water. We've slurried it with the drill over there, and hopefully this will give us enough coating on our wheelbarrow load of tea tree mulch from the Manuka honey group in Opotiki. So I'm just going to do a Michael Jackson glove test on it, and that's a good coating on my skin. Can't see my skin too clearly. It could be a bit thicker, it could be a bit thinner. There's a lot of flexibility in this, and I don't believe everything I say. So I'm going to pour it over and see if we can make some blocks out of this mix. So here we are in the hothouse at the EIT campus in Rotorua. We've got our mould here. Notice how the mould tapers just to make it easier release on the light earth block. We taper two sides of the mould down. This mould is 55 centimeters wide. That's the width of a block you need to fit between 6x2 studs at 60 centers, and of course it's made out of 6x2, so the actual depth of the mould is exactly right to make a block that will fit between 6x2 studs. I've made my light earth Manuka mix down here. I've probably added a bit too much water with the ice brew, but it's still going to work. It's got a good coating of clay slurry on it, and we'll start making our first block. So you can see here that we've used most of that wheelbarrow load of mulch to fill up this mould, and now I'm going to have to remove this mould, and if I had more mix ready I could just immediately start the next one. So I have to try and pull this off, and it should just stand up nicely for me like a sandcastle on the beach. So came off very easily, and it is standing nicely. There was some surplus slurry there that would be collected, of course, and recycled it into the next block. And you'll find that this will dry very fast in the next couple of days, and I'll be able to stand it up on its edge so that both the top and bottom surfaces are exposed to the sun and the wind. The more ventilation the better, the more sun, the warmer it is. The drying time is totally dependent on weather conditions. We're just having a storm coming over now, so it's starting to rain outside. Not good drying conditions. But I'm pretty happy with the result.